Hi. I'm talking to you right now. Say hi to yourself.
Hi.
See. Hey. Woo. Okay. So, talking to you. You're kind of boring right now, so I'm kind of making a video to you. Because I like making a video better to you, because you're boring.
You're probably boring.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the video. The video I'm making for Mike.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Yeah. So, how are you?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my video. I think I look pretty in it. Maybe I should make another video that actually people could see where I look pretty, because if they watch this, that would be weird. Okay. Love you.